Did you know your body has over 600 muscles? Muscles are amazing. They come in all shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific function. From the tiny muscles in your eyelids to the large muscles in your thighs, every muscle plays a crucial role in your daily life. They help us move, lift, and even smile. When you lift a weight, it's your muscles that are doing the heavy lifting. When you smile, it's your facial muscles that create that expression of joy. Without muscles, we couldn't do much at all. Imagine trying to pick up a cup of coffee or even stand up without the help of your muscles. They are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly to keep us moving and functioning. They are the engine that drives our every action, the silent symphony that orchestrates our every move. Each muscle fiber contracts and relaxes in perfect harmony, allowing us to perform complex tasks with ease. From the blink of an eye to the pounding of our heart, muscles are the tireless workers that keep us going. Your heart, for example, is a muscle that never stops working, pumping blood throughout your body every second of every day. Imagine a world without muscles. It would be a world without movement, without expression, without life. You couldn't walk, talk, or even breathe. Every breath you take is thanks to the muscles in your diaphragm and chest. Every word you speak is formed by the muscles in your throat and mouth. Muscles are essential for life. They are involved in every action we take, from the simplest to the most complex. They are what allow us to interact with the world around us, to experience the joys of movement, and to live life to the fullest. So next time you take a step, lift a weight, or even smile, remember to thank your muscles for all the hard work they do. The muscular system is a complex network of tissues that work together to produce movement. But it's not just about lifting heavy objects or running a marathon. The muscular system plays a vital role in various bodily functions, some of which you might not even realize. Think of your muscles as a team of specialized workers, each with a unique role. Some muscles are responsible for voluntary movements like walking or reaching for a cup. Others work behind the scenes, controlling involuntary actions such as digestion, breathing, and blood circulation. Your body has three main types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Each of these muscle types plays a crucial role in keeping our bodies functioning properly. They are specialized to perform different tasks and are located in various parts of our body. Each type has a specific job to do. Understanding these roles can help us appreciate how our bodies work seamlessly every day. Skeletal muscles are the ones we can control. These muscles are responsible for voluntary movements, meaning we consciously decide when to move them. They're attached to our bones by tendons. Tendons are strong, fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones, allowing us to perform actions like walking, running, and lifting objects. These muscles help us move our arms, legs, and other body parts. Without skeletal muscles, we wouldn't be able to perform everyday activities or engage in physical exercise. Smooth muscles are found inside our organs. Unlike skeletal muscles, smooth muscles are not under our conscious control. They work automatically without us having to think about it. This involuntary action is crucial for many bodily functions that keep us alive and healthy. Smooth muscles help digest food, control blood flow, and even change the size of our pupils. They are essential for processes like moving food through the digestive tract and regulating blood pressure. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. This muscle type is unique because it combines features of both skeletal and smooth muscles. It's a special type of muscle that never gets tired. The cardiac muscle's endurance is vital for maintaining a consistent heartbeat throughout our lives. Cardiac muscle works continuously to pump blood throughout our body. This constant activity ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to all our cells, and waste products are removed efficiently. Section 4. Muscles in Action, a microscopic ballet. Have you ever wondered how muscles actually work? It's a fascinating process that involves nerves, fibers, and a bit of chemistry. Muscles contract and relax, much like a spring, to create movement. Imagine millions of tiny threads pulling together to shorten a muscle, then releasing to allow it to lengthen again. Nerves act as messengers, carrying signals from the brain to the muscles, telling them when to contract and when to relax. This intricate communication system ensures that our movements are smooth, coordinated, and responsive. Section 5. Muscle growth and repair, building a stronger you. Muscles are constantly growing and repairing themselves. When we exercise, we create tiny tears in our muscle fibers. Don't worry though, these tears are a good thing. They signal the body to repair and rebuild the muscles, making them stronger and more resilient. It's like building a house. The more stress and weight you put on the foundation, the stronger you need to make it. Similarly, when you challenge your muscles with exercise, they respond by becoming more robust and capable. Section 6. Fun facts, surprising feats of muscle. The human body is a marvel of engineering, and our muscles are no exception. They are the engines that drive our movements, from the simplest gestures to the most complex athletic feats. Here are a few fun facts about muscles that might surprise you. Did you know that muscles make up about 40% of your total body weight? They are essential not just for movement but also for maintaining posture and generating heat. The strongest muscle in your body, relative to its size, is the masseter muscle, responsible for chewing. This muscle can exert a force as great as 200 pounds on your molars. You use more than 200 muscles just to take a single step. Each muscle works in perfect harmony with others to ensure smooth and coordinated movement. Smiling is easier than frowning, engaging fewer muscles. It takes about 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown, making it more efficient to spread joy. Muscles are capable of incredible feats of strength, endurance, and precision. They adapt to the demands placed on them, growing stronger with resistance training and more efficient with practice. From the powerful contractions of a weightlifter to the delicate movements of a surgeon, our muscles are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether lifting heavy weights or performing intricate surgeries, muscles showcase the extraordinary capabilities of the human body. Section 7. The power within. Embrace your muscle potential. Your muscles are a testament to your body's incredible capabilities. They are a source of strength, power, and resilience. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or simply going about your daily routine, remember to appreciate the vital role your muscles play in your life. By taking care of our muscles through exercise, proper nutrition, and rest, we can unlock their full potential and live healthier, more active lives. So embrace the power within and let your muscles carry you to new heights.